People of Instagram land, I am here in Rio De Janeiro, chasing goals and dreams once again. Why? Because apparently it turned into a sport. I love chasing goals and dreams. Right now, I'm right across the street from the old hotel that Deidre and I stayed at the first time we came out to beautiful Rio De Janeiro. And I am enjoying myself a nice cold Corona. They don't have Brahma. They don't have any Brahma today, and I'm YouTubing. So I just want to say hello. Hope all is well, and I'm having a good time. It's about 12 something p.m. I'm an hour ahead, or 12 p.m. 12 a.m. I'm an hour ahead, and could use some company, some friends. It'd be nice if some of the homies would have came with me, but still, I'm gonna make the best of it. Why? They got shit to do.